The world of diagnostics is evolving at an unprecedented pace. At Samik Diagnostic, we are not just keeping up, we are leading the change. Since 2023, Samik Diagnostic has been at the forefront of transforming healthcare with innovative, precise, and reliable diagnostic solutions. In a competitive and growing industry, Samik Diagnostic stands out with a commitment to innovation, precision, and care.
Hello, myself Santosh Mohanty. Welcome to the Eastern India's largest diagnostic facility. I'm the R&D Head. Let's move to the facility. This is our day material store. Let's come inside. This is a dynamic pass box. Through this, we are getting raw material and packing materials from the RMPM store to this day material store. This is our gold conjugation and buffer preparation area. And here we used to do the buffer filling. And this is a cooling centrifuge and gold conjugates. After gold conjugation, we do the centrifugation here.
From early disease detection to preventive care, our solutions are designed with one goal in mind: building healthier lives. At Samik Diagnostic, we combine cutting-edge technology with human ingenuity to create products that truly make a difference. The future of healthcare is here, and Samik Diagnostic is shaping it, one innovation at a time. Join us in redefining diagnostics. Visit our website www.samikdx.com or contact us today via DM.